Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to connect and adjust your JBL Tune Beam with the JBL application. So first of all, go to App Store or Google Play and download your JBL headphones application. Here it is. Download it. Make sure that your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth is on. As the application has downloaded, open it up. Give it a few seconds to open. Press allow everything one more time. Press get started. Press accept. Turn on your Bluetooth. And now your application has started searching for your device. Open up your case. Take out your headphones. Make sure that they're turned on. Now, as you see, your application has automatically detected our headphones. Press get started. Press later, and now you're connected. Now, as you're already into your application, here you can find a lot of different features. For example, you can turn on and off your ambient sound control, your equalizer, so you can adjust your sound up to yourself. There is voice aware, there is Find My Buds option. Also, don't forget to check in software updates. Press support. And here you can do a factory reset. Here in about section you can find your latest software version. As you see, they already updated to the latest version, so we don't need to do this. After you're done, simply press save and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Have a great day.